Hello, my beautiful people. I know it's been a while since I uploaded any content, but jumping right into this look, that's nevertheless. I'm going to start off using this light brown shade and using that as my transition color. Making sure I blend that out, y'all, using this blender brush that came out of my upscale face brush set. I'm going to just lightly take that light orange and softly blend that under my brow. After making sure I'm well blended with both eyes, I'm going to jump into a darker orange, which is like this brick color right here. And I'm going to use a packing brush to pack that right above my crease. Alright, taking another brush, I'm just going to slowly blend the colors Egypt and coffee together. And I'm going to take that right in my crease. I'm not going to go up too far where I lose the brick color. So I'm going to go back in with a blending brush to pretty much merge those two colors together to give it that radiant effect. Then I'm going to go back into that brick color to blend that out. Now I'm jumping right into coffee, and I'm going to just apply coffee all over my lid. And I'm looking at this now. This is a very cute look to keep like this with a wing. So I might recreate this look, leaving it like this. But yeah. I'm going to just start slowly blending it out to make sure I get that nice smooth transition from that dark brown to that orange. I'm going to take ink glide liner. I got this ink glide liner from Amazon. The shit is expensive. It dries down super fast. So I highly recommend you blend as you go. But I'm going to apply a little bit more because that pretty much dried down. So I'm going to apply a little bit more to that lid just to darken that lid up. But when you apply this liner, it don't have to be ink glide. You can apply any liner to get that smoky effect. Don't go above your actual lid space. I know we're not working with a lot of lid space over here, but you want to make sure you put that ink glide liner directly on your actual lid and then smoke it out. That way you will not get that raccoon look. So inside of that palette called Blackout, I did apply that on top of that ink glide liner. Now I'm just taking that blender brush to blend everything together. This is a liner brush from Morphe, but I'm actually using this to apply upscale face eyeshadow base to my eyelid to create me a dramatic wing. After getting the wing shape that I want, I'm going to go in with this Mars color, which is this gold shimmer, and I'm going to place that on my on the eyeshadow base to make me a gold wing. Look at this color on this eyeshadow. It is extremely, like, the pigmentation is ridiculous. Look at that. Super shiny. Again, this is the Mars shimmer that's inside of that palette, and I'm applying that on top of her eyeshadow base that I just created that wing with. Doing the same thing to this side, y'all. After getting both eyes like I wanted, I'm going to apply these dots from my Duo Lash Glue, and I'm going to get this chunky gold glitter and take the big pieces and apply that to the glue I just added, just to give this look an extra pop. Now I'm also going to take the small pieces out of that same gold glitter and apply that to the liner just to give it an extra shimmer. Jumping into the lashes. These are the beautiful lashes that came from Upscale Faces. The lashes that I'm using for this look is going to be dynamic. I love these lashes, by the way. So I am applying my foundation. The foundation that I used was Juvia's Place foundation, velvety matte foundation in the shade Kambala, and I mixed it with Beauty Bakery's foundation. Using my number one brush in that brush set, I'm going to start patting that foundation on my face. I already added the glue to my lashes, so I'm just going to start applying them. Jumping into the concealer, I'm using NARS creamy concealer, and I mixed it with CoverGirl's mattifying concealer, y'all. I'm using Juvia's Place Shade Stick in the shade Numbia to contour my face. This brush is super soft, amazing. It's the brush I use to blend in that contour. It's a slanted, dense brush, but it's super soft. I'm going to start blending my contour in with that. Alright, so now I'm using the brush number 5 to just blend out my concealer. I usually leave my concealer last to blend out because I like it to get nice and tacky before blending. Now that everything is blended, I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution setting powder and I'm going to start setting my face. Now using her eyeliner pencil, this is her gel eyeliner pencil by Upscale Faces. I'm going to start applying this black liner to my waterline. Taking that coffee color, which is that dark brown, to smoke out that waterline. Now I'm using her volumizing mascara to apply on my bottom lashes. I'm going to jump into my Zulu palette by Juvia's Place to start warming my face back up. I use this as a bronzer, you guys. Alright, it's time to highlight the cheekbones. I'm going to take this flat, dense brush by Upscale Faces. It's in her brush set. I can't recall the number, but I'm using this brush to pretty much give me a precise line on my cheekbones as well as my nose. It is time for the lips. Alright, so I'm going to use Beauty Bakery's black matte lipstick to apply on my lips. Now I'm going in with Stay Golden Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply their black Gallica glitter to my lips. I did not apply any glue. This glitter just stuck to the matte lipstick as it dried. Going in with my foundation brush to pretty much sweep away any excess powder and press it into my face.
Moving along. This is my face palette that I'm using, y'all, by Beauty Bakery, just to make sure I'm not too. Can you show the spread here? I sure can. So pretty. Thank you. Because as always, thanks, babe. This is the Milani's Make It Dewy spray, y'all. I got this from Walgreens.
Alright, so I'm just pressing that foundation brush into my face, pressing that satin spray into my face, just making sure everything is melted in this one. Now using my Beauty Bakery's Neapolitan Bar face palette, I'm going to use that brown in that palette to pretty much bring back that color to my face, y'all. And then this is the Juvia's Place highlight in the shade Nafatiri. This is their loose highlight. It's very, very pigmented, y'all, so be careful.
Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all was so dope. Don't forget to check out my girl website, Upscale Faces. All the products I use on my eyes, despite the little couple glitters, is from Upscale Faces. Thank you. If y'all don't do nothing else, okay, that is brush set. You are so welcome. For those who missed the ad look, I promise to post this video on YouTube. Follow my YouTube. You have a beautiful day as well, babe. Follow my YouTube channel, Makeup by Mika. And until the next video, y'all.
Adding it to the bridge of my nose as well as the tip of my nose to give me that little button. Just like that. Time to let that head down. We reached the end of the video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks Upscale Faces for allowing me to show her amazing products. Don't forget to go to upscaleface.com to get this complete asset. These are her lashes. This is her eyeshadow. And I use mostly all of her brushes. So don't forget, when you go to her website, put in code Mika for 20% discount off of her products, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and yeah, into the next video, y'all. Peace.